In this video, I will show you a trading strategy which works very well for indices, ETF, and stocks. The time frame that we will use will be 4 hours or 1 day. In my case, I will use 1 day. We will test the trades on the Nasdaq 100. This strategy is really simple. The first thing we will have to do is select a MA or SMA, simple moving average. We simply look for it and add it to the chart. Then we will have to set it to 200 periods. We will make it yellow and we will increase the thickness to see it better. We will have to look for uptrends and only uptrends, such as this one. To make a buy trade, we will wait for the price to cross the moving average down and then go back, crossing it up, at which point we will make the buy trade. We will put the stop below the last great low. And we will close the trade when the price crosses the moving average down again, as it could be in this case. It is convenient to only carry out purchase operations and never sell, since the type of financial assets that we are operating are companies and indices, and companies always tend to go up. Now, let's see another example. We look for the uptrend. We wait for the price to cross down and then turn back up, at which point you will buy, put the stop below the last big low, and close the trade when the price crosses the moving average. Look at all the profit that we would have made with this operation. Simply incredible. Here we can see all the operations that we would have done if we had followed this strategy in the Nasdaq 100. And ready, I hope this strategy has been useful to you. Do not forget that before trying it with real money, you need to try it in a demo account so that you can put it into practice by yourself. Do not forget to subscribe so as not to miss any strategy, as we upload the best strategies every week.